man, what's up? They call me DJ The Pins and we're representing Vitz Club. Hey, na tuko hapa na Forest Nation. We're heading for Matu. Yeah, it's a charity affair and I'm telling you, jeez, it's a combination of Forester, VW, Mark X, oh my god, Honda 254, Allion. I better be joking. The lineup that is here, oh my god. Poop, poop, poop. Stay here for more.
Your camera gonna pops. Inatoa pops and bangs. What's up? Equinix here. Demand Octane. Tuko sites.
Tupo site.
Kama tu kama unaendaga Masinga, you know this place.
Hey bro, you hit this bump at 120.
Hata whiskey. So shout out to the X plug. Onesha. Shout out to the X plug.
Dola adwa buffalo.
We are here today at Matu for a charity run, courtesy of Forester Nation and WB. We are here with Vitz Club and other clubs. The drive for today has been amazing. Watu wa Forester Nation wanafinya gari sana. But it was nice. I enjoyed the drive. It was a new experience because I have driven with other cars, but not so many foresters to them. Yeah, but it was really nice. I enjoyed.
This is Caroline Mutuku. I'm here courtesy of VW Vitz, and I must say it has been a good ride from Nairobi all the way to Matu. We decided to use an alternative route that had very interesting scenes. It was nice riding against the Forester Nation, and imekuwa sambamba.
Hi, my name is Nibori. I came to the Matu charity drive courtesy of Forester Nation and VW Babes. I came with the Vitz Club crew. The drive was actually very thrilling. We really enjoyed the open roads, the scenic views. Yes, it was so fun. I'm actually a member of Corolla Nation, so nimekuwa like the Corolla Nation drives. Last year we went to Diani, and we also went to Iten. It was a nice drive. This year we've done a Uganda drive. We actually crossed the border to Uganda, so we represented Kenya in Uganda. So far, so good. The kids are actually being entertained, and I just expect it to keep running smoothly. And I don't what else to expect.
We came to visit the kids at Matu Vision Center. I have managed to interact with the kids. They are doing well. Their health is good. And the only challenge that I've seen is with their dormitories. And the charity has donated quite a good number of mattresses, which is going to transform their spaces inside. So watoto wamefurahia, everybody is happy, and the home will be left quite better than they found it.
Hi, I am Alea Auma. I am a VW Babe, a member of VW Babes Club. VW Babes Club is a club for the ladies who own Volkswagen. Today has been a success. I feel so fulfilled spending my day with the babies here. Yeah, and I wish to take part in more charity events like this in the future.
I'm Chris. I'm from FM. I drive Forester Nation. I drive an SH 2012. It's been fulfilling. It's been fun seeing the kids and how happy they are, and seeing all these people around. I don't know if you can see how many people are here today. It's been amazing. The whole drive, seeing the kids happy. Myself, I was so happy driving with people, having fun. Wholesome. As car guys, we should do more collaborations, especially when it comes to charity. As you can see, like a couple of car guys here and there, we do a collaboration, especially when it comes to charity. We can make kids happy, we can make less unfortunate happy, when us as well are happy. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing.
My name is Dennis Mutua. I'm here courtesy of Forester Nation. With me are two friends of mine. This is Irene Barabiu, and we have another one here. You can capture her. Maureen Kinuria. Come on, Maureen. It was a pleasure to have the group and the challenge as well, to have these cars challenging us, yeah, as a Forester Nation. We hope you guys will be inviting us when you have a similar thing.
Yeah. I was the home. It's amazing to meet the kids and everyone, and thank you to everyone who attended. We are doing something nice for the society. If you want to join this club, you can go to our social media handles on TikTok and Instagram and DM. You'll be shared with a link to the WhatsApp group. Then we'll guide you further on how to join. Karibuni. Anyone with a Vitz or anyone who feels like joining the Vitz Society, you're welcome to join.